Okay, when I started to be engaged with the cause of the Kurdish people, it was in 1993. And that was the time in Germany where the PKK was banned by the government. And the Kurdish community, they asked me to file a suit before the highest court of administration against this ban. And I did. The first, I traveled to Batman, and there I was really shocked by the situation in which the Kurdish people lives at that time. And so I said, okay, this is my case. Yes, I fought before the court on the basis of international law, but without any success. And this is the beginning, and since then I was absolutely catched by the cause of the Kurdish people. This has a history with my engagement with the liberation movements in Africa, with the ANC, MPLA in Angola, and so on. But this was only of activism. But this was really a straight commitment to the liberation of the Kurdish people, and this lasted until now. Okay, you know, the liberation of all people who are suppressed and colonized, this is even a major theme and major topic in international law. I'm an international lawyer, and I'm committed to the UN Charter, to the human rights legislation, and to the humanitarian international law. And that's why this is a professional engagement and commitment to all peoples, like in Gaza, for instance, the Palestinians. And on the other hand, I recently was in Cuba, which is under the boycott and the blockade of the USA, and this is all cases where international law is absolutely violated, and this is against my professional. But personally, you know, because I'm in a very secure country, we have had a big war, which we commenced in 1938. And so, yes, it's a kind of my being, of my development in this country, which is now secure, and this is a place where I can live in a good manner. And yes, to be engaged with those people we are not on the same situation. Yes, you know, I was caught by the perspective and the proposals of Öcalan. In 1996, I was invited to visit him in Damascus, near Damascus, and we had long discussions about what at that stake, at that situation, at that time, what is to do.